Okay, so we have the front end loader Samsung washer dryer combo. The washer itself is clearly not draining water. So, if it doesn't take me 10 minutes, I'll get mad. But I'm going to try and fix it in 10 minutes or less. Alright, so step one, I'm going to take this chisel, pop that open. I'm fortunate that there's a drain very close by, so I'm not overly concerned about water spilling, unless it goes on the foam. I don't want to break it. Got it. So, water will drain, and it smells a bit because we don't keep the door open all the time when we should. Okay, so that took about 7 of my 10 minutes up. She's pretty well done now. Put this on here, keep it going. The drum's empty, but obviously the basin inside is still has water in it, so we'll wait another minute. Okay, we're coming pretty well to the end now. I guess one reminder is to put this plug back in when I'm done. Okay, so we're close enough that I'm getting bored and impatient. So I'm going to grab this, which apparently is the filter, turn it, turn it a lot apparently, and I'm hoping this is full, which sounds gross, but it's better for this to be full than yeah, that's the reason right there. So that's the reason I believe that the pump isn't working. So you grab your garbage pail here and you start to pull this shit out. So if it wasn't the filter, then it would have been the pump, which I probably could have taken out, but my frustration level would have gone up, and I have ADD pretty bad, hence why if it takes more than 10 minutes, I'll probably get frustrated. So as you can probably see if you move the camera there, that's basically what it looks like on the inside. Behind that is a pump. This is the filter that goes in. I'm going to give this a little rinse, put it back in, hook it back up, and try it out. Okay, so I gave it a little rinse out. I'm going to put it back in this hole. Straight up and down, that's how I found it. Hopefully this goes back in there. It actually goes in easier than it came out, so that means I probably stretched the hose, which, whatever, there's a drain there. And then we're done. Back to the way it was. Better than calling a repairman. If you can't do it in 10 minutes, don't do it.